I just wanted to make a little short video here on lashing the hinges, or what we're using instead of pintles here on the rudder. And I figured it'd make it a little easier if you could actually see the pattern of where you drill your holes and how you lace it so the lashings don't overlap. And you can see there's 3 different lashings on the rudder, just so that it's secure. Okay, once again, we tied a knot in the other side going through this top hole that's on the stern post. There's the knot. Kathy's over there. I gave her the hard job. She's got to keep threading this thing through all the little holes. I just get to do it down the center here. Actually, these are nice little hinges. I like these things. And when they go in here, this hole is offset from that one over here. Same going down. And for the drawing, they show this being 1 5/8 inch, I believe it is. 2 inches, and it took about, I've got 45 inches of string here, which gives me a little extra slack for pulling. I stick it through the center, she takes it back and puts it back through the stern post on that side. You got a twist in that one, huh? Not that these aren't the lines we're going to end up with. We'll put new ones on. These have been used before. Okay, that looks better. Pull them tight. And they say an 1/8 inch, well, they say a 3mm hole and 3mm line. I found out that's a little tight. I think everybody would agree with me. You can't do it. So we made it just a little bigger, 5/64. Something like that. Fun. I don't remember what the number was. Once you get all the holes drilled and everything, it's relatively quick to get the hinge completed. And according to what I've read in various articles about Wharrams, these things will last 5 or 6 years. Some of them longer than that. Of course, some of them use heavier lashings too. Yeah. But anyhow, if you're tired of buying hinges, this is the way to go. Or pintles, yeah. Because that's what this is a replacement for. And then I did 2 granny knots. I actually did a figure 8 knot over there, but I figured I'd get the granny knot tighter. But okay, we'll show it swinging in a minute. Okay, give it just a back and forth a couple of times here. I got it down at the bottom so you can see that the rudder is moving. That's a very smooth movement. That's all, folks.